This is a quick video on how to plant cherry tomatoes in grow bags. First thing you'll notice is that there are two different sizes of grow bags. So I will grow things that don't need a taproot in the shorter bag, but since tomatoes like to basically get as much soil on them as possible, I'll do this one higher. The first thing I do before I put this tomato in here though is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pinch off all these lower leaves. And the reason that I'm going to do that, I'm going to do it all the way up to here. I'm only leaving this top. And I'm going to now bury this all the way to here so that all of that can become root to support more tomato production. I've now planted the cherry tomato and I'm now going to fill up the mulch all the way until there. So I'm going to be putting about 3 to 4 inches of mulch to keep the moisture level consistent and to keep any bacteria from splashing up on these tomato leaves. So now you can see the finished product is that tomato plant has been limbed up, removing all those lower limbs, planted very deep, and put in the grow bag, mulched 3 or 4 inches, and then around it I put a galvanized cage so that it can have a support when it comes up.